In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Slack communities with our 2025 guide. If you've been looking to connect with like-minded individuals or broaden your professional network, Slack communities offer a great way to engage and participate in topic-specific discussions. So, let's dive into how you can find and join these vibrant groups. First, you'll want to begin by searching online for Slack community directories or curated lists. Some useful resources include Slowfile, a directory that compiles various Slack communities, and Stand.ly communities. You might also consider conducting an industry-specific Google search. For instance, try typing in Marketing Slack Communities 2025 to narrow your focus and find relevant options. Don't forget to check social media platforms like LinkedIn, as well as newsletters, which can also be a great source for finding invitation links to join communities. Now, understanding that many Slack communities operate as private entities, an invite is typically required to gain access. To get one, you need to fill out a request form, which is usually available on the community's website. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your inbox for an email invitation. It's worth noting that these invitations are often moderated to ensure the quality of the community by maintaining a group of engaged and supportive members. Once you receive the invitation, it's time to accept it. Clicking on the Slack invite link provided in your email is your next step. If you already have a Slack account, you'll simply need to sign in. If not, don't worry, creating a Slack account is straightforward. Use your email to sign up and follow the prompts to choose a username and complete your profile setup. After setting up your account, you are ready to join the community. Upon entering the workspace, take a moment to explore the various channels available. Most communities feature channels like hashtag introductions, #general, and others tailored to specific topics. It's important to read through community guidelines, usually pinned in #general or #rules, to understand what is expected of members in the space. Lastly, let's talk about engaging effectively within the community. Introduce yourself in the #introductions channel, where you can share a bit about who you are and your interests. Engage actively by participating in discussions, posing questions, and contributing your knowledge. Using threaded replies is a great way to keep conversations organized, ensuring that dialogues remain meaningful and easy to follow. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to joining and thriving in Slack communities that align with your interests or professional goals. Thanks for watching.